Hey guys, this is Fernando here. I'm with the owner of LIFT Coffee, Steve. And I'm going to tell you what you need to know. The one thing you need to know if you're going to start a tea company right after Steve tells you the one thing you need to know before you start a coffee company.
Okay, so the one thing that I always tell people is that don't go in the direction that everyone else is going. Find something that is true to you and try fishing where nobody else is fishing. Don't be like everybody else because you're going to share the same customer base. Explore new customer bases and tap into those customers, because otherwise you're just going to be like everybody else. It's going to be very difficult to drive traffic and keep people interested in what you're doing. You're just going to look like every other coffee shop, and it's very hard to set yourself up, stand out.
Similar to the blue ocean, red ocean concept.
Just jump into the blue ocean.
Blue ocean. If you don't know what that is, search online.
It's a great business role.
It's a great business, yes. So one of the things that I would say, very, very similar, because everyone buys genetically modified, super flavored, not real. Like I say, go organic. Do the natural route. Because it may not be popular now, but I've been doing this now for a decade, and I can tell you that the desire for natural, organic, and just pure, simple ingredients will grow in the industry, at least in the tea industry. So
that makes sense. I mean, when you're something like tea, you're gonna want great product. You're putting into your body for nourishment and to go. And even though the highly synthetic stuff is very marketed, it's not really good for you, and you don't feel that great once you've had it. So it makes it's so simple, but yeah, it's very true.
if you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions, you can comment below.